Hello everyone, this is my module number 2. This is a program written in C++ and I recreated the payout program that I created in Java. So I used GUI, I focus on GUI in this programming language. So the program starts with entering the name, just the same, for example. And it can delete, and first let me show you how it calculates. And it shows the calculation. It also shows the rates and the overtime rate and the tax, or the information from the or the name of Harry Potter in the CSV file. And this shows the calculation. And I can also update and create a record. For start with an update, so change the value, and it will update the CSV, and then calculation will still be the same. I can also delete a record, and if we try finding that record again, a prompt will show that there is no record with that name. So you can create a record and enter the rates, and automatically it will show the rates and then the calculation there. So just the same. And then it will do this in a loop. So that's the payroll program that I created. So the program, so how I wrote the program is I created a class first. So this will serve as the saving point, or this is how I will serve each person. I will save each person as any class. And then another class I created for the main program, where it has these widgets, private widgets that I can call every time I call the class payroll app class. And then these are the methods. So I have here a method to setting the 2 decimal points for doubles, and then for input from the user that it will always be in a proper case. So just like the Java, I think it has the same logic just as the Java, or on reading the file, but just the different is syntaxes. So this is a list, and then opening the file until parsing the file, and then a error catcher. So this is also on how I use the how I return that it is in the proper case. And then these are the methods on how they show it in a window or in the application. This one, I have the show rates, and then I created a method to hide the rates so that it won't overlap, or it will not show like a stacked text. So it will hide and then it will show the other. So this one is the calculation for the program. And then I created a static to make sure that they're easier to call back, and then it will be cleaner to see. And I also have the methods for updating and creating, and then the submit or the calculate button, which will interchange every now and then for whatever the user prompts. And then the calculation button, where it will go to a conditional if it is from a newly created record, or an updated record, or just the normal calculation. I have here the delete button, so it will ask the user for if he really wants to confirm the deletion, and then it will save it into a new vector, and then it will show it that way. Then I call this public method is the creation of the labels and then the buttons in their proper sizes and proper coordinates, and then the main just is just these 3 lines of code. Thank you.